Imagine staring at the night sky, mesmerized by the glow of distant stars, when suddenly a question strikes you. What if those stars aren't just massive balls of burning gas? What if they are something far stranger? Gateways to entirely new dimensions. This might sound like science fiction, but consider this. Throughout history, many ideas once dismissed as fantasy eventually became scientific reality. The concept of black holes was once thought impossible, yet today we've captured images of their eerie event horizons. Wormholes, once purely theoretical, are now being seriously studied by physicists. What if stars, these cosmic beacons, that have shaped our very existence, are more than just celestial furnaces? What if they are doorways to places beyond our comprehension? If this were true, it would mean that reality as we know it is just a fragment of something far grander, an interdimensional network hidden within the very fabric of space. This is more than just a wild theory. Some of the most advanced concepts in astrophysics and quantum mechanics hint at the possibility that stars might not just burn fuel, but could, under the right conditions, act as cosmic passageways. But how could this work? What kind of physics would allow a star to serve as a portal? And if these gateways exist, could something, perhaps even intelligent civilizations, be using them right now? Before we dive deeper, take a moment to join our journey through the cosmos. Every great journey starts with a few brave explorers. Right now, Cosmic Whispers is just beginning, and your support means everything. If you enjoy unraveling the mysteries of the universe, hit subscribe. It's free, and it helps us grow this community together. To understand this mind-bending idea, we first need to grasp the true nature of a star. A typical star, like our Sun, is a massive sphere of hydrogen and helium undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. This fusion process generates immense heat and pressure, creating the brilliant glow that illuminates our night sky. But beyond their radiant beauty, stars are also places of extreme physics, intense gravity, incomprehensible temperatures, and magnetic fields powerful enough to rip apart entire planets. These extreme conditions have led some physicists to propose that under certain circumstances, stars might not just emit light and energy, but could also warp the very fabric of space-time itself. This idea is rooted in an intriguing concept from general relativity, the Einstein-Rosen bridge, more commonly known as a wormhole. According to Einstein's equations, space-time can be curved and manipulated by gravity. If a massive enough object exists in just the right conditions, it could, theoretically, create a shortcut between two distant points in the universe, or even connect to an entirely different dimension. Some physicists speculate that under highly specific conditions, the cores of certain stars might naturally form such bridges. In other words, a star could act as an interdimensional doorway. This leads us to another fascinating possibility, the relationship between stars and black holes. We already know that when a massive star collapses, it can become a black hole, an object so dense that not even light can escape its gravitational pull. Black holes are known to dramatically distort space-time, potentially leading to hidden layers of reality beyond our perception. But what if not all collapsing stars form traditional black holes? Some theories propose that, instead of creating singularities, certain dying stars might stabilize into exotic objects called white holes. Unlike black holes, which devour everything, a white hole would do the opposite. It would constantly expel matter and energy, possibly from another universe or dimension. If white holes can exist, then it raises a thrilling question. Could some stars be white holes in disguise? Could they be ejecting not just energy, but particles, information, or even entire objects from some unknown realm? This idea isn't just random speculation, it's tied to serious theoretical physics. Quantum mechanics suggests that at the smallest scales, particles can seemingly teleport from one place to another in a process called quantum tunneling. If similar principles could apply on a cosmic scale, a star's core might be an active gateway between realities. But is there any real-world evidence to support this idea? Some astronomers think so. There have been cases where stars exhibit bizarre behaviors that defy conventional explanations. Some stars fluctuate in brightness unpredictably, emitting bursts of radiation that don't fit known stellar cycles. Others seem to produce energy patterns that hint at something more than just nuclear fusion. Even more puzzling are reports of stars that appear to vanish entirely. One moment they're there, the next they're gone, as if they've simply slipped through the fabric of reality. While mainstream astrophysics attributes these phenomena to natural stellar processes, there are alternative interpretations that suggest interdimensional activity. What if these stars aren't disappearing, but rather shifting, moving between dimensions or briefly opening pathways through space-time? And then there's an even wilder possibility, one that takes this theory into the realm of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. If interdimensional portals exist within stars, could an intelligent species learn to manipulate them? We already theorize that highly advanced civilizations, ones far beyond our technological level, could harness the power of entire stars through megastructures like Dyson spheres. But what if their ambitions go beyond mere energy collection? What if they have discovered ways to stabilize and control stellar wormholes, using them as cosmic highways to explore not just distant galaxies, but entirely different dimensions? This would mean that the universe isn't just vast. It's interconnected in ways we've never imagined. Stars might not just be beacons of light scattered across the cosmos, but cosmic doorways hiding secrets that could change our understanding of space, time, and existence itself. If stars are more than just celestial furnaces, if they are in fact potential gateways to other dimensions, then we must ask, how would these portals work? And what evidence do we have to support such a radical idea? Could the strange and unexplained phenomena we observe in the universe be hints that something extraordinary is happening within the hearts of stars? To explore this, let's turn to the physics behind wormholes. Theoretical physicists, including Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen, proposed the concept of wormholes as a consequence of general relativity. These hypothetical bridges through spacetime would connect two distant locations instantly, bypassing the vast distances between them. The math behind wormholes suggests that if they exist, they could act as shortcuts not only through space, but possibly through time, and more intriguingly, between different dimensions. The biggest challenge, however, is stability. A natural wormhole would likely collapse almost instantly unless held open by a form of exotic matter, hypothetical substances with negative energy density. While we have yet to discover such matter in nature, some researchers propose that the extreme environments of certain stars, especially highly magnetized neutron stars or exotic quark stars, could create the right conditions for temporary wormhole formation. Neutron stars, for instance, are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. These objects are incredibly dense, so much so that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh as much as a mountain. The immense gravity of these objects crushes atoms to their core, forming an exotic state of matter that behaves in ways we don't fully understand. Some researchers speculate that under certain conditions, the intense magnetic fields of neutron stars could create localized distortions in spacetime. Could these distortions, if extreme enough, act as natural wormholes? There's another fascinating possibility, the concept of naked singularities. In general relativity, when a star collapses into a black hole, its core is thought to become an infinitely dense singularity, hidden from view by an event horizon. However, some theories suggest that in specific cases, a singularity might remain exposed, unshielded by an event horizon. This means that the extreme physics occurring at its core could, in theory, interact with the surrounding universe. If such naked singularities exist, they might allow for information, or even matter, to pass between different regions of spacetime. Could certain stars, under the right conditions, function as these singularity gateways? This brings us to some of the most perplexing observations in modern astrophysics. There are stars that behave in ways we don't yet fully understand. Take Tabby's star, for example, officially known as KIC 8462852. Tabby's star has exhibited irregular dips in brightness that defy conventional explanations. Some astronomers suggest that a swarm of comets or a massive ring of dust could be responsible, but no theory has fully accounted for its bizarre and unpredictable dimming patterns. While it's a stretch to claim this star is a portal, its behavior is a reminder that we still have much to learn about the physics of stellar environments. Then there are stars that disappear entirely. In 2019, astronomers reported an unprecedented event. An extremely luminous blue star, located in a distant galaxy, simply vanished. Normally, a massive star nearing the end of its life would go supernova before collapsing into a black hole, leaving some trace of its existence. Yet in this case, no explosion was observed. The star was simply gone. One possible explanation is that it collapsed directly into a black hole without a supernova. But another, more speculative idea is that the star may have transitioned into another state of existence, one we don't yet understand. Could it have in some way migrated into another dimension? Even mainstream astrophysics has hinted at interdimensional possibilities. The study of dark matter, an unknown substance that makes up most of the mass in the universe, raises the question of whether our universe interacts with hidden realms. Some theories suggest that dark matter could be leaking in from a parallel universe, or that our own universe is just a slice of a higher dimensional reality. If this is true, then extreme environments such as the interiors of stars might be places where the barriers between dimensions are thinnest, and this leads us to the most tantalizing question. If these interdimensional gateways exist, could advanced extraterrestrial civilizations have already discovered how to use them? We often think about space travel in terms of rockets and spaceships, but if interstellar distances are truly insurmountable using conventional propulsion, then an advanced civilization might seek alternative methods, ones that exploit the deep physics of the universe itself. If stars can serve as natural portals, then a civilization far beyond our own might have found ways to manipulate them, stabilizing their energy fields to create controlled passages through space-time. Could this explain some of the strange signals and unexplained phenomena we've detected in deep space? Fast radio bursts, FRBs, for example, are millisecond-long flashes of radio waves that appear to come from distant galaxies. Some of these bursts repeat in ways that suggest an unknown and possibly artificial origin. While the leading theories attribute FRBs to magnetars, highly magnetized neutron stars, some researchers have considered more exotic explanations, including the possibility that they could be byproducts of advanced technology or even signals from cosmic structures beyond our understanding. The idea of stars as portals also ties into ancient myths and legends. Many cultures throughout history have described stars as gateways to the afterlife, homes of gods, or windows into other realms. The ancient Egyptians believed that the stars were linked to the divine, and some interpretations suggest that their pyramids were aligned to channel energy from the cosmos. Could these myths be echoes of a forgotten truth, one that modern science is only beginning to rediscover? If stars are indeed cosmic gateways, then the implications are staggering. It would mean that our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy, and that the true nature of space-time is far more complex than we ever imagined. It would mean that we are not just living in an ordinary three-dimensional cosmos, but in a vast interconnected multiverse where the stars themselves might be doorways to wonders beyond our comprehension. If stars truly serve as portals to other dimensions, what does that mean for our understanding of the universe? Could it reshape our entire approach to space exploration, our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and even our fundamental understanding of reality? The implications are profound. For one, it would mean that our universe is not isolated, but deeply interconnected with other realms of existence. In modern physics, we often discuss the possibility of parallel universes, alternate realities, where the laws of physics may be slightly different, where other versions of history have played out, or where entirely alien forms of life might exist. If certain stars act as bridges between these realities, then they may not just be distant points of light in our sky, but active nodes in a cosmic web, linking different dimensions together. This raises the question, could anything travel through these stellar portals? If an advanced civilization had mastered the physics of these gateways, they might not need spacecraft in the traditional sense. Instead of traveling light years through empty space, they could harness the natural energy of stars to move instantly between distant points in the universe, or even between realities. It's a concept often explored in science fiction, from the wormholes in Interstellar to the stargates of popular media. But the real physics behind such an idea may not be as far-fetched as it seems. Even more intriguingly, what if the energy of stars themselves is influenced by these interdimensional interactions? Some physicists have speculated that the energy output of certain stars could be altered by unknown processes, perhaps even by intelligent manipulation. Could the stars we see twinkling in the night sky be more than just massive nuclear furnaces? Could they be cosmic lighthouses, signaling across dimensions? There's also a question of what might exist inside such a stellar portal. If a star could open a gateway to another dimension, what would be on the other side? Would it be a mirror version of our own universe, where the same stars shine in a different configuration? Would it be a realm where time flows differently, where the very fabric of reality operates under unknown principles? Or would it be something even stranger, an alien landscape beyond anything we could imagine? Some theories suggest that if wormholes do exist, they could lead not just to other places in space, but to entirely new types of reality. Physicists studying the possibility of extra dimensions in string theory propose that our universe may be just one brain floating in a higher dimensional space. If that's true, then certain cosmic structures, perhaps even the interiors of stars, might connect to other brains, allowing matter and energy to pass between them. This could explain some of the strange and unexplained anomalies observed in astrophysics, such as missing mass in stellar calculations or the presence of dark flow, a mysterious motion of galaxy clusters that suggests an unseen force beyond our observable universe. But if such portals exist, why haven't we seen direct evidence of them? One possibility is that they are incredibly rare and only form under very specific conditions, perhaps during the death of a massive star, in the final moments before it collapses into a black hole. Another possibility is that the energy required to stabilize such a portal is beyond anything we can currently detect, hidden deep within the cores of stars or in the fabric of space itself. Then, of course, there is the unsettling possibility that we have seen evidence without recognizing it for what it is. The sudden disappearance of stars, the detection of unexplained bursts of energy, and even some of the most puzzling cosmic phenomena could all be hints that something extraordinary is happening out there in the universe. Could it be that, just as early humans looked at the ocean without knowing what lay beyond, we are staring at the stars without realizing the true nature of what we're seeing? This brings us back to the ultimate question: what if our sun, our very own star, has the potential to be such a portal? While there's no direct evidence to suggest this, the idea forces us to reconsider the sun's role in our cosmic journey. What if buried within its core, there exists a gateway not just to deeper space, but to realities beyond our imagination? What if the answer to humanity's greatest mysteries, the origin of life, the fate of the universe, and the existence of other intelligent beings, lies not in distant galaxies, but within the very star that has sustained us since the dawn of time? The idea of stars as interdimensional portals challenges everything we think we know about the universe. It suggests that the cosmos is not just a vast expanse of empty space, but an intricate, interconnected system where energy, matter, and even consciousness may transcend the boundaries we assume to be fixed. Whether or not this theory proves true, it reminds us of an important truth. The universe is far more mysterious than we can currently comprehend. Every discovery we make, every question we ask, only leads to deeper and more profound mysteries. And that's why we explore. Because the moment we think we have all the answers, the universe has a way of showing us just how little we truly know. So, what do you think? Could stars really be portals to other dimensions? Could the key to interstellar, or even interdimensional, travel be hidden within the very forces that light up the night sky? Or is this just another cosmic mystery waiting for future generations to uncover? If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep exploring the biggest mysteries of the universe together. Until next time, keep looking up, because the answers might be shining right back at you.